Yo, it's your boy Bug, and I'm back with another video. And for those who normally play this game, we know how Family House is probably one of the hardest maps to escape from as a victim. I've seen somebody do this strat. I'm gonna find who it is and put it in the description, but pretty much we finna make escaping 10 times harder. We got Cook on the locks, we got Hitch with the traps, and we got Sissy with the poison. But the difference is Hitch and Sissy can both go through the walls. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna latch all the doors and we're gonna make these victims work for this one. Everybody gonna have a section. We all gonna call out what we see. Anytime the victim thinks they're finna run through a door, it's gonna be locked. It's gonna be toxic. On top of all the family perks that we do have. Close encounters are gonna be nearly impossible to survive for the victims. Then we got max damage or extra damage. And then we got exterior alarms. Y'all know how that go. Whenever they open up that door, we gonna be waiting for them. So y'all gonna see how toxic we really get. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We did hit 200 subs on YouTube, so I appreciate it. Let's keep growing. With that being said, I really do appreciate y'all. Let's keep it going. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We on the road to 300 subs, and we gonna get there as a family, as one. But make sure y'all tell somebody y'all love them, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video. Hold on. Let me lock in real quick. Yeah, I'm not gonna calm down, so I want some hoes. Let me lock in real quick. Let me lock in real quick. Let me lock in real quick. Let me lock in real quick.
No fear.
Hey, what side y'all watching?
You know what side I'm on.
Are you now? Are you by the now? Whatever side you're going, you're by the window, right?
Yeah.
I'm going this side down. Latch the door right here. Latch the door right here.
Don't latch nothing so I can't get to the back.
I'm standing in the den. Jay, you can really leave this door open, really. Nah, don't do that.
Well, if they start fighting Jay, how we gonna help her up?
That's what I'm saying. What are you?
Oh, yeah, we got a crack in.
Well, never mind. I'll watch sitting around.
No. Here.
Okay, well you gotta unlatch the door.
I did, nigga.
Now you can latch it. Well, no. Please don't start. Get out.
Yeah, let me get out real quick. Let me get out. No. Open this first. Now latch it.
Okay.
I got these stairs right here. In this back door. I got Anna on me.
I've got one.
Your bitch ass out of here, nigga. Anna's in the back garden.
Nobody's moving. Anna, going down the ladder. Where's the fuse?
Anna's going upstairs. Oh, I got Link. I got Sunny on me too. Go upstairs, darling.
Okay.
Yep.
You need to feed. She about to jump out the window.
Well, shit, she do that Jay right there. Yep, go Jay.
Yeah.
She's fucking stupid. Just lock it, Jay. Now you might have to go over there and watch her side real quick too.
I'm about to.
She ain't gonna get it off. Unless she got telehoppers, but she don't. She will. And I hit twice.
It won't be long.
Yeah, Sunny's here. Oh, he's fucked.
Somebody else is in the basement, so somebody else is in the basement.
That door's locked, you dumbass. That door is latched, you dumbass. He's come back. I can't kill him. That door is latched.
Did you put smoke on the stairs?
No, I put smoke on the damn.
Somebody's at garden or somebody else is by. Oh, that's
It's Sunny.
There he is.
Get your ass out the window.
He in cap too.
Is he?
Who barred the doors?
Not me.
Well, Leland just barged the door back here.
I got Sunny.
What? I thought who didn't latch this? Where'd it go?
Right here.
Oh.
You love the track.
Oh, she fast picked my lock.
Connie?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got it well. He rolling.
I'm coming. Oh, go win. I'm gonna feed Grandpa.
I'll shoot him out. Somebody's in the basement, probably coming up a garden. Yeah.
Coming up where?
She's by the garden.
Okay, now I go back garden. I'm replacing. Yeah, I know. I'm replacing you real quick.
I'll feed
Just
him.
checking.
Well, yeah, I'll feed him. Oh shit.
Check fuse real quick. On your little mini map thing. My shit out of time.
It's close.
Okay. I'm up here anyway. Alright, well if it's not I got 50.
I'm gonna have to pick this barricade right there.
Connie got. Oh, I hear somebody.
I see Anna.
Where's she at? Oh. Good dub, Nye. I think the other one in the basement.
Well, you know, it make it real easy if you just put your smoke on the stairs and go upstairs and nobody can go up there.
I did. Well, no, I put it by the garden, the actual garden, so they ran in too fast. They got hit the snow and make them dizzy.
Garden. Or they just jumped out the back window, something. Are they back there? It's not from there.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, she right here. She going through the crack.
Through the crack.
Garden. Nobody hit him. No.
She welled.
Yeah.
I'm in the bathroom. I'm in the basement searching. Oh, I see her. She's running towards the
Yeah, she's coming up blood bathroom. Or
I'm right here. Where the fuck she go?
Come on home, little children. Come on home.
Try to ping her out, Jay. Oh, I see her. She opened that door.
She's coming up these stairs right here. I'm gonna come up.
She just locked herself. Go. She's this nigga now. This nigga now. Kaboo, nigga. Trap.
Oh, that's good.
I can't do anything. Barricade is closed.
Did she jump out?
Nope. And then she is up right here.
Oh, she just fast picked something. What did she just fast pick?
The front door.
The front door.
How the fuck she get down there so fast? Now you can tell.
Hey niggas, same motherfucking strat. You hear me? Let's do it. Now you said poison the stairs.
Yeah, just put it on the stairs so we know somebody going up the stairs. We're going upstairs. So you can run around a little bit more.
Okay.
So that's how. Remember, that's the first time they got up. They beat us last time. They got upstairs and.
Damn.
My side locked down.
Alright, bet.
They can't come up the stairs unless they want to force their ass up the stairs, nigga. And we need to hurry up and feed Grandpa so we can fight niggas. Oh, what's up?
How much blood y'all got?
Oh,
I got 25.
20.
Feed him your 20.
I'm gonna collect some more real quick.
I got 50.
You know they ain't doing nothing yet. And
I got
the keys are in a good spot, so.
I got 75.
Definitely put them smoke at there.
Where you at?
In here, in the bottom.
I'll show
What's the
him.
column? You feel me?
You finna feed him, Jay?
I got 40.
Alright, I'm going to my spot.
Hold on.
Did you trap the window now? Here they go. Here we go.
Yeah, I tried the window. You know my shit, you trapped there.
They ain't got
Alright.
no door open though.
They don't. We good. Oh yeah, they.
Alright, now you can latch some doors.
Jay, you in your spot? Go ahead.
Yeah.
This motherfucker is locked.
Make sure you watch the fuse though.
See more clearly.
Is in a good spot?
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
right above you.
Sounds good.
Oh, they right below me, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'll block you.
Hi, Leland.
Well, Tom, I can help you. Because I can sit right here.
Give me bar, Jesse. Oh, go now.
I won. I ain't need no motherfucking help.
That's tough.
Jiggle
Oh,
bone.
I got one on the stairs by me right here.
Just a touch.
Gonna kill this little hoe. Do I chase her all the way
What's
or
up,
let her
Danny?
go?
I've got
No, just let her go.
Oh, I get ran over by Leland.
I thought Jada's fault leaving.
Oh, Danny up here too.
No, I fought
Upstairs?
nope. What the fuck?
Oh, you
Where's
can't use
that?
it.
Get my kill. Did you see? I was swinging so hard, bruh.
Yeah, Leland got you killed.
Fuck, bruh.
Oh, one in here, one here.
Oh my god, I was swinging so hard.
Alright, trying to whoop my ass.
Oh, Nick, you didn't latch the door.
I guess I can't.
I just got door slammed. She upstairs.
Latch the door.
I thought Jay
Yeah.
latched it. She upstairs now. On your side now.
What about
Well,
me?
that's
I ain't
you.
do nothing.
The
I
door
left
that-
my doors in this bed.
But I'm saying the door that you came out of, I thought you latched it when you passed it. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, this nigga be trying to blame us for his dude.
Nigga, I've been standing up here the whole time. I was chasing her through the crack and shit. I just got door slammed. Somebody upstairs too.
Yeah, Julie.
Alright, bet. Well, these two doors is locked.
I'm about to finger out. Never mind, it won't let me. Crazy part is I'm like, I'm gonna check my doors. And she,
Mind you was minding your business too. All I heard was, boy.
I'll feed him again, I guess.
Alright, that's game.
Nah, for real. Yikes. Quick dubs.
It looks like somebody ain't doing
They got him to
so
level 3.
well.
Alright, guys. Let's assume our positions. They're gonna try to whoop Jay ass and go to the white door. I already know how this is go.
Well, I put that on first.
There's knowing this game, they'll jump out this fucking window.
Jay, kick that trap too, Jay, in your room.
I'm doing
So-
it.
Oh, the bug. Last that up. Whenever you go upstairs, last the door. The top.
Oh, by the
So you
fuse?
go- Yeah, the
I got
good.
you. I got you.
That's what it is.
Yeah. This
Yeah.
game.
They getting bone scraps.
Boy, let me put my phone down.
Where the mountains
I can't ping nobody. There's too many people in the room.
fingers to the
They got 600.
never ask
I mean, go to the crack. I'm trying to play.
Just so I can go to that powder station by you.
Okay.
Anna's coming up.
Hello.
Oh. No. Close. You good.
I was standing right by it.
Okay. Go back down that motherfucking ladder. Alright. I'll come back. You can watch me real quick. Oh no, my god, they're all right here. Danny leaked shit. They all they trying to test me. Jay, unlock this door real quick.
Somebody over here, by that door. A sitting room. Was a sitting room door?
This
One
But
sitting
it's,
room.
Seymour
I'm about to sit in the room.
Whatever.
Oh, Jay, behind you too, right here. Look, that right here. Watch that right there.
Where?
They trying to come up your way. Where I be at? On your side. All right, you can come back. Go ahead.
Oh,
I
no,
see
let's
Anna.
get the fuck at me.
No, go back. No, go back. No, go back. No, go back.
Go back. Go back. Don't worry.
Okay, latch your door, Jay. Oh yeah, come here, Anna. Come here, Anna.
They opened the door.
Connie right here too. Think I see you? Think I see you? Think I see you?
Doors.
Think I see you? No, don't run now. You were just trying to bamboozle me. Here, ho. In cap, go in cap. Please go in cap. Please go in cap. Please go in cap. Oh, she put a health bottle on. She was one tap. Anna right here. Bro, I am fucking them up badly. Alright, let me go back this way.
Somebody by garden.
It's two of them. It's two of them over here.
They calling for letter right now. It's two of them. Two of them back. Two
Two
of them
of
in the back.
Yeah, I got him. Look, Danny, he's like, come here, Danny.
Don't be scared now.
Oh, he did. Come here, nigga.
Leland finna run me over. Yep. I still got my hitting, bitch. Leland going up there too.
Going out
They
where?
finna double team you. Upstairs.
They all up here. So I'm gonna chase.
Oh, he about to jump out the window.
You gonna have
Maybe
to.
not.
He upstairs. All right. He upstairs. I'm about to go watch this fuse then.
He's
Oh,
upstairs?
he in there. Leland up here, so I'm about to chase him up here.
Did he bars the door here?
Where he go?
He bars doors? Oh.
Yeah, he is.
Oh!
Come through the
He
crack.
probably got grappler. Somebody by the window.
Oh, now on the left, huh? Damn.
Yeah, they cut down bone scraps and everything. I think they jumped out the window.
You can't hide
Yep,
Yep.
they did. And they fast picked my lock.
left a trail.
Leland and Danny upstairs.
All right, well, I'm going outside.
I'll stay upstairs. I'll hold the fuse down. Oh, they put the fuse.
It's Connie Willing.
Whoa, she kicked it off. So, whoa, she already kicked the gen off?
Yes.
Oh
I didn't even hear her jump out
gosh.
the window.
That's
Nice.
Connie
crazy.
will.
Nah, I won't lie. These niggas are playing together though.
Of course they are. They ran up there together.
Don't fight it. Just
And they
give
barged
in,
in doors.
sweetie.
That was me.
Oh.
So I can watch the fuse faster. Shit, not that it matters now, but shit.
Connie down there. Garden. Two
Yeah,
of
they
them back there.
I just
Oh,
got
he
it.
doing the pressure tank. They doing the pressure tank.
I can't get there fast enough, bro.
Danny did it.
They gotta get
Fuck you,
outside. Ooh.
I didn't win. He got grappler.
I'm on Danny though. I'm on Danny.
The end, you know. Just trust me. He'll be
Did he
lovely
bitch? He just stabbed me. Danny. Oh, Danny's running towards the grandpa.
Oh, he finna die.
Who?
Leland dead.
Yeah, that's one down. Good shit. Danny finna jump out the window. No, he not. That door bars, little bruh. Oh, Danny's upstairs. You're going for fuse. You're not getting it, my boy. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Somebody got to be at that window.
'Cause one is one. I'll never say never to always.
Okay, right here. I'm on Connie. She gonna jump out the window. Dumbass little hoe.
If she do, she'll be in cut.
I got Connie. Yeah. Yeah. Come
Where's
on.
Nigga? Where's Anna?
Who's on Grandpa?
Oh, she jumped out the window.
Shit, I ain't gonna lie. That's not a bad finish, though. She outside?
Yeah, she down.
She by the street?
Yeah, she been outside.
Where she at?
I'm not turning this off.
How you know she over here? Oh, I see
I
her.
can see her.
You having fun yet?
This is your own fault. You should have better known better.
Yeah, get your... Yeah. Boy. I ain't gonna lie. That's not bad, though.
Yeah.
It's not a bad finish.